We're rolling. Hello. You're back already at my salon. Last time I was sat down filming a video here. I attempted, emphasis on the word attempt, to take off my acrylic nails. It worked. I'm not going to say it went particularly fantastic, but it worked. And so today I thought I would do another video. And this time it's going to be a makeup look. Basically, I saw a bunch of ideas on Pinterest, and one makeup idea in particular caught my eye, which was if a butterfly and Euphoria, the TV show, had a baby, and this would be it. So it's basically like butterflies, but like with gems. I don't know, I thought it looked fun. So don't mind the eyebrow slit, it's growing back. I love it, but last time I shaved a little bit too much off, so I'm letting it reset and then I'll try again. Anyway, how is everyone doing? I feel like this is a really awful angle, but oh well. I am going back to uni in 3 days when I'm filming this. I'm going back on the 5th of September. I'm very excited. I've just done a load of shopping. I was going to do like a university haul sort of thing because, thank you very much by the way, my move-in vlog did so much better than I was expecting. Like, I'm a little bit shocked. But if anybody cares, also hello to all the new subscribers, very exciting. To some, 30 new subscribers may not sound a lot, but to me, that's quite a big deal. That's basically a whole entire class. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, to anybody that's subscribed for university content, I will be filming some, but I don't move in until the 5th. So you're just gonna have to hang on a little bit longer. Take a shot every time I say oh, because I mean, I don't think you'd make it to the end of this video, quite frankly. By the way, I'm using my James Charles palette. I kind of feel like no one's gonna follow this because it's not a tutorial. But in case anybody was wondering, I'm using a James Charles palette and most of my brushes are Real Techniques. I'm really not expecting it to turn out any good, but if it does, well then that will just be a happy surprise, alright? So I'm going to put up the picture on my laptop, just because I need like extra, like I need a big picture so that I can see what I'm doing, because I'm a little bit scared when it comes to the eyeliner, because I think I've got like, I don't know what it's called, but my like eyebrow kind of like droops over my eyelid. Like, see how my eyelid sort of like retracts back into my skull? I think this is going to make this look really difficult, but I'm not going to let that stop me. If I can dream it, then I'm already halfway there, or whatever that quote is. I watched a video actually the other day based on that idea, and it's true. If you do dream it, it actually helps you get like partway there. First things first. On the list. God, that was shocking. I'm just starting with like yellow in the inner corner. Look at me, so professional. But yeah, and then I'm gonna like ombre it into orange. I'm not gonna explain too much of what I'm doing because, like I said, not a tutorial. There are plenty of tutorials on YouTube that I should probably be following to do this, but I just, you know, I'm really trying to practice the like art of just going with the flow. I recently took up watercoloring again after GCSE art. It put me off it. The F in art stands for fun. And GCSE art really just, it was just so fun that I never wanted to do it again because I just didn't think I'd be able to top how fun it was. Yeah, now a few years later, I finally feel ready to start painting again, and I've been really enjoying it. I really enjoy the process of literally just going with the flow, and that's why I've been working with watercolour, because it allows me to just sort of like chill. I don't have to worry about whether it looks good or not. Other things I've been doing during quarantine is baking. I've been listening to podcasts as well, and just generally like self-improving myself. Like, I've just really taught myself, and obviously like I'm still getting there, still growing, but I'm really learning to just not care what other people think. I don't know, I think I've grown as a person. One thing that's not growing though is my hair. I ended up following a TikTok life hack video. Don't recommend, don't do it. Just think about it before you do it. I should have really like sat down with myself for at least 5 minutes and thought, is this a good idea? So I saw this life hack, which was a way that you can like curl your hair when it's wet, and you just leave it to dry, and then it like does its thing. On paper, it just looked like a really good idea. No, absolutely not. I will show you the clips right now, but basically what happened was I tried to do it. I'm pretty certain I did exactly what they told me to do, and I ended up with the fattest knot and the tightest knot at the bottom of my hair, and I had to cut it off, and that's why I don't normally have like cute little front pieces trailing down my face, and it looks really cute and nice. I can't do that anymore because I had to cut them myself. And I was saying the other day, I was like, oh, I really miss having my bang pieces, whatever you want to call it, like the front fringe bits. I was like, I actually really miss it. I didn't mean for them to come back like that. I would have liked them done professionally, but you know, this is sort of working out. It's actually not looking too bad. I'm just adding like the other wing to it now. Honestly, if this starts working, I might wear this to the clubs. Like, call me crazy, but it's like new elevated self-esteem. I don't care. Such as, I'm wearing a bralette, I'm wearing underwear as outerwear. How exciting. I'm gonna move on to the eyeliner now. And so I probably won't actually talk that much during it because I'm gonna need to focus so much. See, this is the thing as well, like I've drawn butterflies like when I've been doing my paintings, but like drawing it on my eye just seems like a lot more complicated. Oh my god, this is so difficult. I've done the first line, but like really, really lightly. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna go with that. It's not fantastic, but like we're working with what we've got. This is so difficult, like it's so much more difficult than I was expecting. Like I knew it was gonna be hard, but like it's just like, because obviously the skin like around your eye is so thin, it makes it really like uneven to sort of like draw on. It's blotchy, but like we're getting there. We're getting somewhere. I don't think this will be a look I'm recreating for the clubs. Okay, on camera it actually looks kind of good. In real life, no. It's like an A on camera and like a D- off camera. But I mean, if it can fool you guys, then I can pretend it's okay. Right. One thing I forgot to say is my friend Polly, hi if you're watching, she is having a 2000 themed party, not for a birthday or anything, just like a little sort of get together before we all go off to uni, except I will have already gone and come back, but that's besides the point because I won't have really started uni yet. But I chose to go as Elle Woods, but then everyone was like, we're not surprised, like we kind of almost like expected you to go as her. I cannot contain my excitement. It's all I've been thinking about. Legally Blonde is like, I can't even describe it. It's just like part of my identity. Because I'm known as Legally Blonde, my dad surprised me earlier with my very own bruiser, and I don't care. I don't care that I'm 19 and getting excited over a little toy chihuahua. That is one of the best surprise presents I've ever got. Cutest thing ever. He's so soft, and he's my very own bruiser. I feel like I live vicariously through Elle Woods, and so why the heck not? Can I not have my own bruiser either? But yeah, he should be coming to the party with me, and he'll be staying with me at uni. The pen is not really like coming out. Like I don't understand how this person's managed to do it and like get the ink to come out the pen. I'm not entirely sure if the bottom really worked, but it's the best we're going to get. So this one also has some like diamonds, but like, do you see my issue? Like it's just not really like, I'm drawing on my face, but it's not coming out the pen. Yeah, it'll be fine. It's fine. I think I'm gonna tap out. My my eyeliner is not really working. Like, ignore how many swatches I have, but like, can you see that? I think it's running out. So that's as far as I got. Just gonna work with this eye. We're just gonna pretend like the right eye never happened. Next thing I wanted to do, I'm gonna add some glitter. I got this ages ago from the Tanya Burr advent calendar. I think I'm actually mildly allergic to it. Oh no, kind of went wrong. Look, it's sort of like smudged the eyeliner. I mean, the eyeliner was not fantastic to begin with, but like, again, we're just gonna admire it from far away. Next thing I want to do is add the gems. And for my gems, I'll be using sequins and eyelash glue. There we go. Oh my god, it's actually looking so good. Like, honestly, if I could pull this off and actually get it good, I would wear it on a night out. She's done, people. Oh my god. I can't lie, like, if I had a better eyeliner pen, I actually think it would have turned out okay. I think I'm going to do a fun little montage section now, so cue the montage. Really hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry, I can't take myself seriously with only half my makeup done. Maybe I'll just face this way. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it enjoyable, a laugh, got some inspo, I don't know. If you're interested in any of the content that I mentioned that I'll be making, subscribe down below if you haven't done so already. I never normally ask, but like, why the heck not? Subscribe down below if you're not. We'll see you very soon with another video, probably next week. So yes, bye.